Question number 2. Do you believe that living on another planet will be possible in the future? Explain your ideas. Yes, it is very possible in my point of view because human technologies evolve all the time. So there will be a day for us to living in the planet beside Earth. Started with searching for the planet that are suited for living. There are so many of planets in the space, so I'm pretty sure we can find plenty of them. And then we will settle in those planets, rebuild all these civilizations. But now we just travel from town to town. But then we travel from star to star. And with technologies and new kinds of resource from every different planet out there, there will be endless evolution to all faculty and will be leading to human life at its finest.